Top 4 newest indicators on Tradingview.com. In this video, you will learn one of the newest and best indicators available free on Tradingview. And make sure you watch whole video to not miss the extra bonus in the end of the video. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Open up your empty Tradingview chart and head over to indicator for our first indicator, which is machine learning. Type in momentum also. You will see indicator from Zeiierman. Click that your chart, and after you add the indicator, you will see that there's a whole different setup come to your screen, and it shows you like something like a MACD, but it is way more powerful than that. Now I will show you why. When you see this green clouds and the red clouds, it means that there is an overbought and oversold situations going on. You need to see, you need to check. So if you are in the long position and if you see the green clouds, you can take your profit or you can take some partials. And if you see a red cloud and if you are in a short position, you can take some partials or you can close your whole position. And another method in this indicator is when you see a cross up, you can take a long position, but there's an important thing that price needs to be below zero. You see this line, right? If there is a cross up below the zero, you can take a long position, and if there is a cross down above the zero, you can take a short position. Easy like that. So this is the first indicators that I would like to show you. Now let's head over to the second indicator, which is Breakout Finder, one of my favorite from the LonesometheBlue. Click that your chart, and using this indicator again is so simple, and now I will show you how you can do it. This indicator plots automatically these lines, which is if the price break those levels, there can be a change of character in the market and there can be a breakout. And you got this blue dot here, which is long signal, right? Why? Because there is a break of structure here. We got the breakout and you can take a long position here. Easy like that. This indicator, let's see another example. There is a sell signal. Why? Because there is a change of character, break of structure again, and you see this sell signal and you can jump into trade with that signal. And the bonus is you can combine some of these indicators that I will show you now. How you can combine it. You got the sell signal here, right? And you take a short position and you write your trade, and suddenly you see this red cloud. What does it mean? It means that you can take partials or you can close whole your position because we are way oversold. This is very important. You can use that. If you understand this indicator, now I am inviting you to our third indicator, which is AI moving average from the Zeiierman again. Click at your chart. This whole AI thing is going crazy at the moment. You see, we see everywhere machine learning, the AI strategy and all that stuff. This indicator is so simple again. You see one yellow line and you see this second line. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's red. For the settings, I set it up for the 50 and the neighbors 5, data points it's 10. If you want to learn more about this indicator, you can come and show about the script and you can learn a lot of things and about the key nearest neighbors, KNN algorithm, how it's analyze it, blah blah, all that stuff you can come and see. If you see this line is green, this means that the trend is up. We have entered a bullish trend. And if you see the red, it means that we have entered a bearish trend. So this is how you can use this indicator. It's so nice because I sometimes put a 200 SMA on my chart, and if the price goes below that, I am bearish. If it goes above that, I am bullish. But this indicator makes it easier for you to understand the trend. And if you are a scalper or short-term trader, this indicator is a must check for you. And now I am inviting you the final indicator, which is ICT Sessions One Setup for life, and hit OK. Max time frame is 15. Hit apply. So this indicator is so fantastic. After you add it, you will see the Asia session, the London session, the New York AM session, the lunchtime and the PM session. This is important. Why? Because Sometimes I only want to trade in the high volume hours. I don't want to go in the low volume time frames. You see, there is so much low volume. I am not interested with that. I want to see a volume with my trades. I want a liquid market. So let me just hide these indicators, so it's so much complicated now. And voila, we see this, the purple box, you see it, right? This is a regular trading hour gap, which means that the yesterday close and today's open, and there is a difference between them. If there's a bit difference between them, it will plot automatically this box, and it calls regular trading hour gap. And the market always goes for those gaps, always, tomorrow or today. You know, we don't know, maybe next week, but the most of the time it comes and fill that opening gaps. So this indicator plots automatically these gaps on your chart, so you don't have to do it. It makes your life so much easier, and only thing you need to do is just click the button and wait market until fill that gap. And if you are not sure, just put your stop loss to the session highs and sit back, relax, and watch how it fill that gap. Easy like that. So we have now 4 indicators, and all of them are great. I showed you all of them on a 5-minute time frame. I am not suggest you combine all of them because it will be a huge mess for you. But what you can do is you can take one of them, you can put your trading strategy. If it's work, great, I am happy. But do not mix all of them. Maybe 3 of them, but not 4 of them, because it can confuse your mind. So you can take a bad trade, and I don't want you to do it. That was all for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, I am sure you will like that video, and until the next time, see you soon.